design originating from England. Ingenious pioneering from Singapore. Quality crafting from Germany. Innovation built on a heritage of excellence. Mr. Robert Mills inherited the legacy of his ancestors whose origins traced back to Ed Mills & Son, a blacksmith shop in Liverpool, England. RAM created and produced its first telescopic spreader in 1972, when the containerization industry was still at its infancy stage. Since the acquisition by Singapore's NSL Group in 1992, RAM has capitalized on Singapore's strategic location as a global maritime hub to expand its footprint globally. With the rise of China as a global economic superpower, RAM ventured into the Chinese market with a 64,000 square meter production base in Changshu, China in 2005. The Changshu production plant is today the holistic base of RAM's operations from which the company conducts its fabrication works, stores its inventory, and provides technical service to support the needs of its customers from around the world. Following a share swap in 2015, RAM became a subsidiary of the SMAG Group. The SMAG Group, founded in 1919 with head office in Salzgitter, Germany, operates a wide range of businesses and is a leading company in the bulk cargo grab handling industry. Given the SMAG Group's German expertise in steel fabrication and welding technology, the partnership brought on synergies and enhancement to both companies, cementing the group as a world-leading supplier of lifting and handling equipment. Employing the best technology and practices with great attention to detail, persistent emphasis on quality, and solid compliance with international standards and regulations, RAM has today propelled itself to the forefront of the global stage. RAM's products, designed to have market-leading longevity, are functional and reliable even after many years of tough operation. With more than 20 global patents, RAM has an extensive range of products, ranging from the classic center spread Twin 20 spreaders to the signature single flex Twin 40 head blocks and revolvers. RAM's equipment serves in all of the world's top 10 container ports, and its geographic footprint spans over 65 countries. In the years to come, RAM endeavors to remain true to its products and strives to create pioneering technology of higher quality and efficiency to continue to serve the operational needs of the global containerized industry.